In this video, I'm going to talk about how to roll back Intel graphic drivers and how we can do this. So if you ever thought of rolling back the drivers to an older version, this is what we have to do. The first and foremost step is all about we have to either go over here in the search, or you can type here for device manager, or you can go to the start, right click like this. Now from here you can navigate to the device manager as well. Now, once you get into the device manager, we need to make few kind of changes here, and that is what we have to do. So the first and foremost step is all about once the device manager pop up, what you need to do is we have to go over here, click on the display adapters. In my case, the PC that I'm using right now, it is having NVIDIA. I'm sorry for that, but even you can do the same step if you wanted to roll back the Intel graphic drivers as well. Now, first of all, go over here, then we have to right click. And from here, what you need to do is go to the properties. Now from here, go to the driver and you'll be having an option to roll back the driver. That is the easiest way on rolling back the driver. Now, if it is actually grayed out, then what you need to do is click on update driver. Now from here, go for browse my computer for the drivers. Click on let me pick a list of available drivers on the computer. And from here, instead of NVIDIA, you have to select Intel graphic drivers and go for the next. After updating the graphics card, you have to check that is one of the way how you can update it or how you can roll it back on that is the way. And now there are few more things we need to do. We can manually roll back the drivers. So to do so, we have to go over here, right click and go to the properties once again. Like I said, if you go to the driver, there is an option called rollback driver, which is actually grayed out, but still you can roll back the driver. For that, we need to make sure few things. The driver date, this is on 5/5/2026. And also make sure the driver version is 32.0.15.9649. So what you need to do is we have to go to the Google Chrome. Now from here, you have to type here for Intel graphic drivers. So search like this, Intel graphic drivers. You can search like this and go over here. Now you can get the first site that called intel.com. Now from here, you have to get into this. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and click on the graphics. And now you will be getting a complete details on the graphics over here. So right now, these are some of the graphics that's been released in the recent days. And also, you just need to go over here and you need to cross-check some of the details from here and there. So what you need to do is go over here, right-click and go to the properties. And right now, we can see the driver version is 32.0 over here. So we just need to scroll it down over here and we need to find it as per your need. So if you scroll it down, somewhere else you will be able to find it. Now from here you can manually download it, and that is one of the way how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.